Hey guys, welcome back to Always Austin. And as you guys can see, I'm back in my mama's house. Yes, I am. And no, I'm not in the chair today, but my daughter is. Okay, my daughter is. Now, my sister had to clock in this time. Okay, and baby, let me tell you, her and my daughter was beefing hard as I don't know what after this little hair. Baby, they was beefing so hard. Look, my baby screaming, help me, okay? But we continued with our regular wash day routine, which was the pre-poo. Went ahead and got that soaked in, and then we did get her up under the steamer. My baby showing y'all her design that she created. Yeah, okay, Kylie, we see you. And then, look, my son was with me this time, too, and then he all in my mama living room knowing that he is not supposed to be there. She gonna put us out. She gonna put us out. Now listen, I recorded this before I got my own hair done. Why they uploaded out of order, I don't know. But listen, yeah, y'all know I had to get my baby straight before I got myself straight, okay? Because I feel like she was about to come any day now, and y'all already know how I feel about my baby hair. Your hair gotta be done. I can be laid up in the hospital bed looking crazy, but your hair gotta be done. So that's why I got this scarf on my head like that, because mama hadn't did my hair yet. But yeah, shout out to my sister for helping me out. And I want to say something to her because I told her we had to wash my baby hair. And when she saw that I do the pre-poo and steaming and stuff, she's like, oh, we got to do all that. I was like, baby, you don't watch my videos? You don't watch my videos? What, you think I do this for the camera? This is what a wash day consists of, okay? We don't just go wash, condition, and leave. We have to set the tone to make sure this hair is healthy and growing, okay? Y'all, I'm gonna have to play some throwback pictures of my baby when she ain't had no hair because, honey, her daddy said I grew it off a tree. I grew it off a tree, y'all. I grew it off a tree, so I don't be playing about it. But yeah, they say your family be the ones that don't support you, y'all. She don't even be watching my hair videos, but look, I can talk about my sister now because she already watched it, but yeah. Anyway, I'm doing something very quick to Kylie's hair. We didn't have anything in mind. I just knew I needed to do something to it to just get it out of the way. She hasn't had her hair done since she came back from the Virgin Islands. Yeah, so I was like, yeah, we got to do something because I'm not going to be able to wrestle with this, and I'm going to be feeling real bad if I don't have the strength to get up to do your hair and you walk around here crazy. So, yeah, we went ahead and got this done. Like I said, we didn't have a design in mind, so I was just like freestyling. She kind of told me that, okay, she liked this, that, and that, and I kind of just meshed it all together. And we're doing some feeder braids this time. Y'all know she want me to try and stitch, but hey, we're going to try to do that another day because y'all know how it is with them stitches. I don't know what's be going on. I think I don't use enough product. If I use enough product, I feel like I can get through it. But anyway, we'll try that another day. So yeah, I got her hair divided off into 4 sections. Y'all know I love to break this thick stuff down. And I did put like 4 little braids on the nape of her hair. Just so that I wanted it to be braided to the back, but I wanted her to be able to put in a ponytail, 2 ponytails, a bun, 2 buns, you know, side ponytail, whatever. I just wanted it to be more movable. So that's what I did. I added them little braids to the back, that little row. Kind of helped me with my ponytail. And I'm going to put a little braid down the middle. Now, I had to start this braid all the way over because she said, baby, that braid was pulling too hard. And you already know, we trying to keep our hair on our edges, honey. So she said, yeah, it's pulling too hard. I had to take it down and start over. But this was the design that we came up with, okay? Bam, we just got us some braids going. Yeah, there we go. Very simple. Nice and simple, okay? And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Same thing to the other side. It didn't take really long to do her hair. And this is the final product. Yeah, that's my girl. That's my girl. Go Kylie. Go Kylie. Hey, she gonna spin again for you. So she had it up in a bun. And she had it in 2 buns too. And baby, she been feeling herself. Look, I did add some curly hair, but I'm gonna have to try that again because it didn't work out right. But thank you guys for watching our video.